Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I'll get to it. So I'm really quite happy with this page. As you can see, I've changed her hair and I wanted to use a little bit of creative license. This girl had really quite prominent eyes and I didn't know whether to try and approach this drawing, this sketch, because it would look disproportionate. But I tried it just to see if I could pull it off. First one, everything, apart from the hair, I don't know what happened with the hair, but yeah, the hair is just ongoing learning curve. So the main thing right now is the proportions and the layout of the actual features. So the first one took me 2.5 minutes, second one took me 1.5 minutes. However, the cheekbones and the jaw are not quite, they're not laid out properly, and again the hair. Whereas the third one, that came together all of a sudden, and that only took me 1 minute and 40 seconds. And I should say, originally about a year ago I was taking about 40 minutes. 6 months ago I was taking about 20 minutes. 2 months ago I was taking about, did I say 10 minutes? I was about 10 minutes. And then 4 weeks ago I was taking about 5 minutes. So this has gradually reduced the time over the past month down to 1.5 minutes. I am really happy that my skills are now allowing me to get to this level, essentially. So effective use of time and sketching methods and learning methods are allowing me to get to this point. So let me know what you think and I shall get back to you.